Today I wanted to share with you our scholarship application process. We fund the scholarship through your generous donation from Patreon. Once or twice a month I ramble behind the scenes, some thoughts and how the Brooklyn Shoe Space is doing, what we want to do in the future, as well as some Brooklyn Shoe Space merch like these. Sales from the merch have been going towards the scholarship. So we have two scholarships available. One is for 18 and over and one is for 17 and under. We wanted to highlight the youth because we want to give some opportunity to middle school and high school students. We kind of budgeted it for a 5-day or a 3-day workshop, so you can choose out of any of our courses other than the 10-day workshop. So you'll make one pair in the class. You can apply through our website. Click on the scholarship at the top right corner and read through. The application form is super simple, 2 minutes. Time-consuming part might be the 2 parts. One is sketching. You want to sketch like a profile view of a shoe that you want to make. I prefer it not to be like a photo from a shopping site. It'll be great if you can translate that into your own words or images, a JPEG or a PDF of a sketch. The second part is the video. I would love for you to make a video either on TikTok, Instagram. If you don't have any of those, you can make a video and then upload it on YouTube. Just name it Brooklyn Shoe Space Scholarship Application 2024, just so I can find it, and also tag us or even email us the link. I would love for you to talk about your passion, like why you want to learn at the Brooklyn Shoe Space, what kind of shoes you want to make, what you're inspired by. So those two, the links have to be incorporated into the form that you're going to fill out. It's free to apply, and the deadline is December 15th, and we will announce the winners December 31st, preparing ourselves for the new year. And then you can book anytime that you wish between January 2025 and September 2025. So we hope you apply.